to school. Let's learn about the color names. Fun with Ketli. Red. R A D. Red. Pink. P I N K. Pink. Yellow. Y E double L O W. Yellow. Blue. B L U E. Blue. Black. B L A C K. Black. Brown. B R O W N. Brown. Orange. O double R A N G E. Orange. Purple. P U R P L E. Purple. Green. G R double E N. Green. White. W H I T E. White. Aqua. A Q U A. Aqua. With every shade, a story unfolds. Infinite tales that time molds. In this world of chromatic art, we find the hues that touch the heart. We find the hues that touch the heart.